Okay, so now that you have everything assembled, here's my recommendation in terms of assembling the two parts. So this is the other piece off of Thingiverse. So once you've printed out one of those as well, this guy is going to slide in here. And I would recommend, because I did build this so that the tolerances are fairly tight, because I wanted this to be a snug fit so that it doesn't go in and just fall out. I do recommend holding the sides, get yourself lined up, and then get yourself started. And then once you've got that first one in, now you've got a pretty good tight fit. Um, and at that point, you just slide this back, line up your next piece, okay, and then continue to slide it on back. Pretty straightforward. I know you guys can figure this out, but I figured I would make a short video for it anyway. There you go. Now you're ready to install on the access point, and go ahead and hang her up.